In this video, we'll see the recipe of two varieties of delicious milkshakes using Parle-G biscuits.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, The Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's get started.
For the first variety, in a blender jar, add 6 pieces of Parle-G biscuits, now add 3/4 cup milk. It should be cold. To make it more cold, add 2 to 3 cubes of ice. Now add 180 ml or approximately 3 medium-sized scoops of vanilla ice cream, 2 teaspoons sugar, and blend this to a smooth milkshake. Now in your choice of glass, pour this milkshake and serve it right away. But yes, before that we are going to do some garnishing. So for garnishing, top this milkshake with some whipped cream. Sprinkle some crushed Parle-G biscuit. I've used 1 piece here and 1 more piece to top this glass like this. So our first variety of Parle-G milkshake is ready. Moving to the next one. So before we make the second one, we are going to garnish the glass with some chocolate syrup. In a blender jar, add 3/4 cup cold milk and add 2-3 cubes of ice, 8 Parle-G biscuits, 1/4 teaspoon instant coffee powder, 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup, and 180 ml or approximately 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Place the lid and blend this to a smooth milkshake. And to the prepared glass, which we had decorated with chocolate syrup, we're going to pour this. Top with some whipped cream. Well, this is optional. And finally, top this glass with some grated chocolate. So in this video, we saw 2 delicious varieties of Parle-G milkshakes. Do give this recipe a try and let me know which one you like the most. Until the next time, enjoy!